Before you send your design to a UV printer, pause for a moment. There are a few common design mistakes that can affect print quality and final results. So in this video, we'll show you what those mistakes look like and how to fix them for clean, professional UV prints. Mistake number 1 is exporting your design without a white layer. Here, only the color artwork is exported, so the printer has no instruction to print white. This usually results in dull colors or missing detail on dark or clear material. To fix this, select your object, then go to Object, Shaping, and choose Boundary. Now hide the color layer and work only on the white layer. You can fill this layer with any color. The important part is selecting white print mode in the printer software so the machine knows this layer must be printed as white ink. Mistake number 2 is not printing with a jig. What usually happens is the jig layer gets hidden before exporting. So when the layer is hidden, it doesn't export and the jig is not saved with the file. That can lead to alignment issues when printing. To fix this, don't hide the jig layer. Instead, keep the jig visible and remove its color. Select the jig and set the outline to no color. This way the jig stays in the file, but it's invisible. When you export, the jig is still there and your alignment stays correct. Mistake number 3 happens when UV printing on MDF. After laser cutting, the edges are burnt, and if you print directly onto them, the UV ink doesn't stick properly and can start peeling off. To fix this, simply wipe the burnt edges with 99% alcohol and let it dry for a moment. Once the residue is removed, the surface is clean and the UV ink will bond properly. Mistake number 4 is designing in RGB instead of CMYK. RGB is made for screens, not for printing, so even though the colors might look good on your screen, they can print looking strange, dull, or incorrect. CMYK is designed for print, which means the colors come out more accurate and consistent. To avoid this issue, always make sure your file is set to CMYK before exporting for UV printing. Mistake number 5 is forgetting to flip your design when printing on clear acrylic. When printing on clear acrylic, the artwork is usually printed on the back, so the clear material sits on top and it gives it a cleaner and more premium finish when viewed from the front. If you don't flip the design, it will appear backwards. To fix this, simply flip or mirror your design before printing. That way, once it's printed on the back of the acrylic, it reads correctly from the front. Another important step when working with clear acrylic is taping it. The machine's sensors can't see through clear acrylic, so if you press auto position without tape, the machine won't detect the material correctly. Using a colored tape allows the sensors to pick up the material and position the print accurately. Good UV prints start with correct designs. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope this helped you understand what to avoid and how to prepare your files properly. With the right setup, you'll get sharper detail, better color, and more consistent results every time.